The China-Pakistan Joint Research Center on Earth Sciences, a high-level scientific and technological innovation platform between the two countries, has been inaugurated in Islamabad. It's aimed at promoting scientific cooperation against climate-induced disasters and on talent cultivation.
There are so many things that we have to learn from our Chinese colleagues, and I'm aware of many of these technologies, and therefore I think this coming together of Chinese scientists and Pakistani scientists is an excellent way to develop this collaboration.
Cui Peng, CPJRC Director General, said the center will also study and evaluate impacts from geohazards and climate change to the area of the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor and the local sustainable development.
比如说，这个是它的资源的问题，它的生态的问题，它的环境的问题，以及防灾减灾的问题。那么这4个问题，既是支撑一个区域里边可持续发展的一个非常重要的要素或必须要解决的问题，那么同时，也是绿色发展的核心的要素。